In this video, I'm going to show you what I think are probably the best practices for recording a Zoom lecture and making it available to your students. So here I am in Canvas. I'm at my dashboard at my account. I click on the class where I want to make the recording. That's this one. And over here on the left-hand side, I have Zoom set up on my Canvas, so I can go over here, click on Zoom. It's integrated with Canvas. Now I see all the upcoming meetings, so I've got my lectures scheduled at their normal times that I would have. To make a new one, you'll go to schedule a meeting, name it whatever you want. The time is probably when you're normally meeting or at a different time. Duration, and you can make it recurring if you want to have it every lecture, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or whenever. You probably want to turn your video on. Certainly want to do that if you're lecturing on a blackboard or a whiteboard. And I have participants off by default, but they can choose to turn them on. Audio, both. These default meeting options, I think it's a good idea to mute participants upon entry. They can unmute themselves when they want to ask a question, so you just let them know that that's how they do it. By doing this, you stop any background noise from 30 people or more interrupting your lecture. The other one you'll want to do is record the meeting automatically, and you want it to happen in the cloud by default. That way you're not having to upload anything. So you'll do all that, you'll click save, and then your meeting will be scheduled in Canvas. So I'm not going to do it because I don't want my students to join. Cancel. So once you record it, once I click save, it'll show up like this in my upcoming meetings. And once it happens, you click on this to start it right here. And after it's done, say you want to share the same lecture with another section, you'll go over here to Cloud Recordings. And these are the recordings that have happened because you clicked the record button. And if I click on these, I see this recording. So you don't really want to download it. You want to share it with your other sections. So that'll give you this URL right here, recording. So if I just copy this URL, let's right click, copy, just a URL. Now I can go into a different browser because these are publicly available. So here's Safari, I was in Chrome. If I send the students this URL, they can put it in their browser, press enter, and here I am at my video. So now I can watch the video that I recorded. Press play, and this is streaming for them. And this is a better way to do it than downloading and uploading the whole file. So I can stream, and they can go to wherever they want in the video, and here's me trying to use this and figure things out, and they go through, and it even did the transcript on the side, which is pretty slick. So students can also download it if they need to go somewhere where there's Wi-Fi, download it and watch it at home or something like that. They have that option too. So that's it.